So Jennifer from Aster Anne, and today I want to show you how I use this amazing product by WonderFil called Instant Appliqué. This has fast become one of my super favorite products to use for when I am doing applique on our felt kits. So I'm going to show you my version of how I like to use this product. So let's get started. We'll open it up. What I love about this product is that there is no ironing required. All we need to do is pop the fabric onto it, give it a little pat down, and we can start using it straight away. So opening it with this one, we just need to follow these little arrows here. So we'll peel this up, and it's good just when you're peeling it up, just to make sure that you are getting a hold of the sticky product. So you can see here, that's a little bit tacky there. Starting out, we just unroll it, and I do often pop a little bit of a weight, something there just on the corners to hold that down, and get some fabric, and super easy, just lay it down. So give it a little smooth out there. And I'm going to put another one on. So you can do this with multiple pieces of fabric. And I have also used this product where I've placed it directly onto one of our felt kits and then put the ribbon over the top and then stitched it down. So now that I've got that placed on there, simply take my ruler and rotary cutter and cut that off. And now I have a couple of pieces to play with. I always pop this back into the plastic bag that it came from, because we like to just keep it all nicely sealed in there. So pop it away, keep it in its box, and you know where it is. And to continue using, just cut the excess off. So you can keep these little strips too to use. I will just roll them back on and again put it back into the plastic and use them that way. Cut this off, and I'm going to show you a couple of other ways of how we use this now that I've got my fabric ready. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it cuts super well in the little cutting machine. Maybe not a little cutting machine, but in a cutting machine it does work equally as well. And if you don't have a cutting machine, you can still use it by marking on the back of the paper. If you check WonderFil's videos on using the instant applique, you can use it with the applique transfer sheet. But if, like me, you happen to have some templates, you can of course use it this other way as well. By having the bigger template like this, you can use your cutter and just cut up against it, which is one way. Or alternatively, I found a pencil works quite well to mark the paper with. So it's almost, by using a pencil, you're almost scoring it. A ballpoint pen, not so wonderful, which is why we have the applique transfer sheets. But I find a pencil works, or you can also use a felt tip marker. So I'm not sure if you can see, we've kind of got an indentation in there by using those other two products. or to either as a pencil or the pen. And a felt tip marker I find we can use just like this. And you do just want the felt tip marker just to dry for a moment, and oops, I smudged it. Let it dry for a moment and then you can cut that out as well. So scissors, we can just cut after we've marked it, and then after you've cut out your shapes, and so to use the product now, we just need to score the back of it with a pin. So by doing that, we're just creating a line in there, and can just pull that away, and now we've got the tacky bit that we can pop onto our project. So super easy and really fun and quick to use, no ironing required, and that's why I love the Instant Appliqué product.